Hello everyone, welcome to Numbers and Colors. Today we are going to match the picture with the correct word. Please make sure to like this video and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you. So we're going to start off by saying the name of the picture. Then we're going to say the ending of the word. And then we're going to listen to that first sound when we say the word of the picture, and then we're going to blend the word. We're going to put it together. So this is a pig. Can you say pig? If you look at each word, they all end with egg. I-G says egg. Egg, egg. The only difference is the first letter, that first sound. In pig, we want to listen to that first sound. Pig. I hear P. Which letter says P? W for wig. P for P, pig. Or R for rig. P for pig. That's correct. Our next word is rug. Can you say rug? If you look at the words, they all end in UG, which says ugh. Ugh, ugh, ugh. We just need that first letter. T for tug. J for jug. R for rug. Rug. Our next picture is of a jet. Can you say jet? Jet. Jet. Our ending is at. At. E-T says et. Et. We only need to find that first letter. Jet. J says j. Jet. M says met. S says set. J is for jet. That's correct. Our next one is car. A-R says R. R. C says k. R. Car. J says jar. F says far. This is a car. First one says car. Let's try that again. This is a lip. Can you say lip? Lip. The bottom one. Lip. IP says ip. Ip. Lip. Let's listen to that beginning sound. Lip. Is it Z? Zip. L. Lip. Or R? Rip. L for lip. This is a picture of a nut. Can you say nut? Nut. UT says at. R says rut. C says cut. N says nut. Try one more time. So thank you for helping me match the picture with the correct word. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, can you please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye.